Pursuant to Fayetteville's 250th anniversary, we're going to offer citizens coins. These coins are going to be limited edition coins. They will be numbered between 1 and 250, and they'll be limited to 250 to signify the 250th anniversary. Each coin will be packaged in a very nice wooden box that will allow the coin to be laid flat or to stand up. The lid of each wooden box will have emblazoned in the top the Cester Centennial seal, and each coin will be accompanied with a certificate of authenticity, which will bear the number of the coin and the mayor's signature. And we'll talk about the significance of the coin, and that will be placed in an envelope that will also have the number of the coin and the Cester Centennial seal on the front. These coins will be sold at a price of $75 each, and the proceeds will be used to build a lasting monument in the downtown historic district to mark our 250th anniversary. These coins will be offered at the Fayetteville Area Transportation and Local History Museum. We would encourage that you call before you come, 433-1457. or 433-1458.